Yeah, g'day YouTubers. I would like to share with you this temperature probe that I bought. It's a smart wireless barbecue thermometer, and it works with your barbecue or food or anything, or you can put it on the top of your stove. It works on your mobile phone, so you can set it at just temperature. It's got a timer built into the program. It connects to your Bluetooth, so it will tell you when it disconnects, and it will tell you all the temperature. As you can see, shows you the temperature, how much time is left on it, or how much running time is on it. You can set it for Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can set the alarm time, so your phone will ring, it will vibrate, it will ring and vibrate. So it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. It's got a sealing cap. So this is the grommet that my columns got on, and this temperature probe is rechargeable. It charged within 5 minutes. The charge time's 5 minutes, and it's got a little LED light there that shows you when it's fully charged. And I'll just pull it out of the charger. As you can see, it's just a probe. It's wireless. This is a little plug that goes on the top. It covers the top end of it. So if you want to cover it up, you can cover it up. It's just silicone plug. So there it seals it off nicely. I'll take the cap off. It's just a protection cap, and that's also your charging port. It charges there, and it's got a ring there that you're not supposed to insert it below this ring. As you can see, this ring on the probe. And at the moment, that's my my grommet, and I'll just move it onto it, and that's how it will fit onto the grommet. It's a nice tight fit. I can push it in deeper if I wet the grommet a little bit, or use a little bit silicone spray onto it, and it will just slide in. So this is what it's called, smart wireless barbecue thermometer, food grill. It's got 3 modes. So you can set it for beef, chicken, lamb. 5 minutes quick charge. 3 modes: recipe, temperature, timer. It's all built into the program. It's smart wireless barbecue thermometer. I think it will come in really handy if you need to do distilling. You can use it to check your temperature of your wash. You can check the temperature of your column. Fits nice and easy in, and it's available on Aliexpress. Might be able to get it on Amazon or Aliexpress. That's what I use all the time. I buy most of my stuff from Aliexpress. Very handy thermometer to check the time, temperature, and it will tell you the total time of you running your stove, or the temperature, and you can set it at a specific temperature, and when it reaches that temperature, it will sound alarm on your phone, to tell you that you've reached your temperature. If you lose any connection, it will also alert you by sound or vibrating or both. You can also this probe will run for about 4 hours if it's fully charged, and like I say, it's just a quick charge, 5 minutes quick charge, and will run about 4 hours. Thanks for watching. Cheers.